We are back at the Kilauea Iki Trail today. I'm not gonna hike it though. We're gonna use this as a starting point to walk to Thurston Lava Tube, do that small trail, and then walk to the visitor center, then to the Sulfur Banks Trail and back. So it should be a little bit more than 10 miles for the day. It's really pretty out here right now. All right, so let's get started. There's Gary. Nice foggy morning. Wow. Very foggy and pretty today. All right, we completed the half a mile from the Kilauea Iki Overlook. And this is the parking lot. There's some lava tube. So it's right across the street. Sorry, that's a steep downhill. All right, here we go. All right, entrance to the Thurston Lava Tube. Okay, let's go in. Looks pretty steep.
Long way down.
All right, let's go. Wow, yeah, wow. I didn't realize, I don't remember it being so far down. The video makes it look like it's flat, but this is very steep downhill. Oh, going slower. Yeah. Do you remember how long this trail is?
0.6, I think.
This trail is 0.6 miles, so it's not too much. We just wanted to get out here early before the crowds came. All right. All right, there's some lava tube. Gary's head for scale. Whoa.
Cool.
It is cool. All right. It's creepy with orange lights. And I feel like the right side, you don't want to walk too close because it was shorter. Yeah. So you can't see anything. It's pretty much the ground. And I think the sign said no flashlights. So I'll turn the camera back on when you can see something.
There you go, that's a flashlight.
Oh, that's cool. All right, so watch here. That's where you're gonna hit your head. That's kind of low. Oh, another low spot. Gotta walk in the center there. Woo. That's kind of cool. Huh. Ooh. Okay. Lightens out a little bit, and there's the end. It's been raining. Yeah. All right, let's turn around and get the shot from the other direction. All right, steep uphill on the way back. We have some pheasants joining us on the hike this morning. There's one. And oh,
He's behind that fern.
yeah, just can't find him on camera. Or you just can't see him in the camera. There he is. Good morning, pheasant. Hope you're doing well. Have a wonderful day. Find lots of snacks. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, he ran off again. You can see him. Or her.
I think it's a him.
Yeah, that's him. Oh, and it's raining. Kind of misting anyway. Alright, we're not going that direction anyway. We're leaving, so that shouldn't scare them off too much. That's the way to the bathrooms. Okay, I lied. Sorry, pheasants, not trying to scare you away.
Did you guys just have a bathroom break?
Oh, there's the girl, or the boy. Sorry, guys. Okay, now that's the way we started. Here's the, I guess, the overlook. Sounds of the rainforest. Wow, it's so pretty out here. There's Gary. That's the pheasants making those sounds. Oh, that's the girl. Boy's back there. Cats. Alright, and we're heading back to the parking lot. Alright, we're heading back toward the Kilauea Iki Overlook and then off to the visitor center now. Let's go. There's Kilauea Iki Crater. What?
You can barely see the trail right there.
Oh, I'm gonna have to zoom in.
Yeah, wow, that's fun.
Alright, let's see if we can see the trail. Oh yeah, you can just barely see it. Yeah, oh cool. Okay, made it back to the Kilauea Iki parking lot, overlook parking lot, I think. So, now we're going to go the direction we went the other day when we did the entire trail, but we're gonna get off to head toward the visitor center this time. Pretty. What a view.
Yeah. I bet it'd be a pretty cool view from down there today too, but
Well, maybe if
that's
we're
a
not
little
too tired.
too many miles.
Maybe.
Well, maybe we should take a detour on the way back.
Yeah, maybe.
Not that much further.
The fog is clearing. Oh, blue skies. Yeah.
There's people down there, but they're behind one area here right now.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Okay, well this is where the trail splits. Going that way continues the Kilauea Iki Trail. We are going to go toward the visitor center. This way. So pretty. Oh, yellow flowers. You can see the floor of the lava, or the lava bed.
There's the Holly Mau Mau Trail. You see the
Oh,
where the furthest we got that one day.
Yeah. That trail isn't open, of course, because there's an eruption happening, but
Used to go right up to the rim, I think.
pretty cool. Wow. We're walking by Volcano House. That's the parking lot. Oh, I guess that's our trail. That is Volcanoes. We're going toward the visitor center. I made it to the visitor center. Okay, we're gonna go do the sulfur banks and steam vents. The sulfur bank trail is gonna be closed starting tomorrow because they're redoing the boardwalk, the wood part and stuff. That's why we decided to do it today instead of focusing on hill climbing. So, let's get it done. All right, the camera doesn't capture the essence of smell, but you know what eggs smell like? That's what it smells like out here.
It's a little bit of steam mixed in.
Yeah. Oh, and when you walk through a hot patch of steam, yeah, it's fun and warm. All right, this is the boardwalk that's going to be repaired. Ooh, I can feel the thing moving when you walk. Ooh, that's warm. Ooh. Oh, goodness. Whew.
That's nice.
Yeah. The colors over here are really pretty. All right, do some more boardwalk walking. Oh yeah, I guess that's why they're repairing it.
Yeah.
And the benches too.
This whole section is brand new.
Yeah. This is really pretty. Okay, we're heading to that area.
Yeah, somewhere up that hill. Around my head, actually, when I look into there. Maybe it's around your head too when you look.
Look at, oh, there's a rainbow. That's what we're looking for. Yeah. Huh. Oh, there's one low this morning. Man, it is hot already.
Yeah, probably has something to do with lava spewing out of the ground a mile away.
Or that steam.
Or the steam.
Whew, that steam is warm. Whew. Up on the hill is the Jacker Museum. So we're gonna walk as close as we can to get to that. Oh, there's some bees.
A couple buggy too.
Yeah? Lots of bees are buzzing in there.
Different than buggies.
Really pretty. That is the Jacker Museum. There. Check out this tree. With all the moss on it.
It's like a lichen.
So this trail, back before the summit collapse of 2018, we think it used to go all the way around both of these craters, but it doesn't anymore. Pretty cool. And so there's Jacker Museum.
You can still see the observation deck.
Yeah.
On the left.
The parking lot collapsed when the crater collapsed, so that's why it's off limits now. But they used to have a telescope set up so you can see inside and see the lava flowing.
Yeah, it's right over there where those placards are.
Yeah, pretty cool. All right, we're gonna keep going until we can't anymore. So that's Mauna Loa. That's Kilauea. And I don't know if you can, I'm sorry, Mauna Kea. Sorry, I knew that. And I think you can see the telescopes on the top from here. Little white spots on the right. So yeah, that's Mauna Kea. Mauna Loa. Kilauea. So apparently the Jacker Museum is open.
Not the museum itself, but the parking lot.
The parking lot. We don't know when this happened, but we're gonna go check it out. Well, we found the end of this trail. Okay, we are going to be retracing our steps and just heading back that way. Eventually, on the other side of that lump.
Forever away.
Yeah. Sorry, the sun is behind me. I can't see. It was in front of me. I can't see. Anyway, so I'm probably not going to record much because we've already done it. So see you at the end. There's the Jacker Museum. Lava flow. And then that is Kilauea. We are parked on the far side of that. And then over here, Let me zoom out and see if I can find it on here. Is the volcano house. Is that it? And the steam vents that we walked through earlier. Okay, we made it back to the Kilauea Iki Overlook parking lot. We're done for the day. I think it was about 11 miles. It's really warm now, but the hike was nice. Lava flow. A nene.
Let's go after the gooseberries.
We have to stay 60 feet away, so we're not going to be able to finish this trail, but the end is just right there anyway. So that's okay. We're not going to scare the little guy away. Where'd he go? There he is.
Ready?
Morning, beautiful bird.